less it makes sense, the more we try to be closer to being known.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's always good to see you. If you're new here, my name is Stefan and that is my self-built camper van, Ganapati. Got myself a little camp spot and I'm gonna enjoy the day in nature because lately that's where you'll find me. Cook a little lunch. I'm going to attempt to make lunch without actually pulling out the stove, which means because it's nice and warm today, it's gonna be a cold meal and explore a little bit. That's right, that's all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make a delicious salad bowl. I'm trying to put as much protein in there. As some of you may know, I am vegetarian, so I have one hard-boiled egg, avocado, chickpeas for protein, and I guess mushrooms have some protein in it as well. Let's get cooking, or better said, let's get mixing and chopping. You know, salads are usually not my thing, but something like this, ooh baby, yeah, please. Lately I've been trying to hard boil my eggs just so I don't use oil, to be a little healthier, and I don't mind that. It's actually much easier because I don't have to always pull out the skillet to make something simple like this. I could make this into a wrap. What I'll do, I'll buy a carton of 12 eggs and I'll boil 6, and then the rest once in a while, if I do want to make an omelet or scrambled eggs, I still have the 6 eggs. Alright, let's go exploring slash hiking. Locked up Ganapati, she should be good. There's not a lot of people here, and most of the people that are here are outdoorsy, so I'm not too worried. And she's in the shade, or partially in the shade right now because, you know, obviously the sun keeps on moving and I was a bit too lazy to start her up and move her around. I have plenty of power in my battery bank, so I don't need any more solar. I'd rather just keep her in the shade. I think I saw some hiking trail somewhere. I'm just gonna go check it out really quick. I really truly love being out in nature. I mean, look at this. This is incredible. However, right now I'm at the beginning of the trail. Let's see what I say when I need to finish it. I don't think it's a very long trail, but I don't want to say too much too fast.
I'm flying like an eagle, I'm circling the sun. I wanna do so many things, things I have never done. Just show me where the path gives out, and that's where I'll run. I'll never be a passenger.
Gets pretty steep, pretty fast. I would show you on camera, but you can't really see it on camera, so believe me, trust me. I'm already I'm already running out of breath. I got this, guys, I got this.
And one ball bound, raise it towards the ceiling for the lucky ones.
Finally going downhill. Exciting times. It's not a big trail, but it does have like a very steep incline, and then I'm guessing which direction you're going, the decline is fine, it's not so bad, but it's also really hot, so I didn't choose the right time of the day to actually do this. But I wanted to get some steps in, you know, walk off that huge, ginormous salad that I made for myself. So this is what I'm doing. You guys are coming along with me in the heat. When I get to the van, I'm probably gonna drink 5 gallons of water immediately. There she is in the shade waiting for me. I think I might have done 5,000 steps at least. Let's check that out. I'm very curious. That was a longer hike than I expected, actually. Let's see what we got here. This is Ganapati. Come on, come on, come on. 5,000 steps, at least 4,479. It seemed like more than that. Maybe because I was going uphill. But I'll take anything, you know. On that note, this guy signed up for the gym. And I'm not only planning to take showers, I'm actually planning to also go work out before I take those showers, at least half an hour to an hour. And it's Planet Fitness, $23 a month. And I can use any of their clubs, and I can use anything that they have to offer in their clubs, which is great. I think they have like a massage room over there or something. Excited to check that out. So yes, I'm definitely trying to work out and stay a little bit more active and a little bit more healthy, because I don't hike every day or often enough. I hike every time I go out, but it's not as much as I would like to. Ah, so good. If you enjoy van life as much as I do, check out this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.